This is a very interesting project as far as the concept of energy utility or energy use is concerned. For example, most of us use electrical loads not knowing as to how much money we are spending on a particular load. Like for example, we keep our TV in the standby mode, we keep the geyser sometimes in standby mode, or we keep so many loads, and this is a device, this is a system where we can pre-calculate as to how much money I will be spending if I use a load for a particular number of hours. What we have here, we have a 100 watt lamp here, and this 100 watt lamp, we know it is, if it is used for 10 hours, so 100 into 10 is 1000 watt hour. 1000 watt hour is 1 kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt hour is 1 unit. That means we will be spending 1 unit if we run a 100 watt lamp for 10 hours. This is what we would like to show in the demo. So you can put any load here, but for the easy calculation sake, we have taken a 100 watt lamp so as to see that to how do we really know about the cost and the unit consumed. Now for example, first of all, what I have to do is I have to enter the unit cost. Unit cost means how much is the cost of the unit per electrical unit that is being charged to us. In any situation, could be in Andhra or any other state, the present price, let's say, is about 6 rupees some paisa. So I say I go over to and then feed a price about say 6 rupees. And I can fix a price also, I say feed a price of about say 6 rupees and 5 paisa. This is the price of the unit. And next what I have to do is, it asks me that enter the number of hours, that how many hours that I am going to use this lamp. Now, as we say that we have to see the exact calculation, let's see, and I put about 10 hours. So I put 10 hours. Now if I use this lamp for 10 hours, I would like to know how much is the investment or how much money I spent. Now this is all set. We have set the parameters. Now I switch on the load. Now this is my load. I switch on the load. I say start. Within about a minute or two, within less than a minute, it will be able to calculate as to how much unit is being consumed and how much is the cost. The unit consumed could be little higher than 1 unit here, just because the voltage available at this particular place is not 220 volt, which is normally used. It is slightly more than 220 volt. So what we find here, that is 1.15 units. Instead of 1 unit, it has consumed 1.15 units. So my assumption that my lamp will consume only 1 unit was not correct. The lamp is actually consuming 1.15 units. Now since I fed it for 10 hours, I should know how much money I have spent. You see, if I use this lamp for 10 hours, I will be spending 6 rupees 95 paisa, not 6 rupees. It's because it has consumed more power, and that is what is the method by which we can understand a standby operation of a TV also. Most of us will be surprised to know that a standby TV consumes about 30 watts. And so if you keep it on for about a considerable number of hours, maybe if you don't switch off totally and you spend so much of money unnecessarily on that, all these can be calculated once you use this kind of device. Thank you.